Hello, agus fáilte hiag na seanslia má bhaile tranta glaú glaciad na seanslia. Is me se Hugh le ceada agus ó a dhí an teas tá cho sé is tí Tátín seaamar is lí a ggurchar an fís Tátín seaamar le just fuineagaí anet so móhim go canalcás le rotisserie chicken just ag brothú hart a leir an supermarket. Cé go man ítá sé tá seo le couple of hotties iad hain fásta tá seo le muid cólacia language cardide ar dúspáir mu seo le aine bhuiir aine go dtí tú.
Bug scriste le a fear nach laat hí láhór agam an seo gáú leis na gailgóirí le jadóní go mu go Barbie agus darmodéir nimán agus go sé gas na gail agus tá fós chatar a go mé so get bug thusa le a fear nach laat.
Yeah, bhí haim an puir dat leis an wet towel ar de cin.
Get bug de chin is cin go mné.
Just get bug. Well can't she get bug de chin is cin man seo fásta le James óhhairta James Jimmer tú.
Come on, agus sin so in intros accurate on the real.
Just get the book the chin is cin.
Just get the book tin king. Sin an person of the time. Yeah, so come on vi mo der seachta stoi mat de gera kudus noch the is der seachta ma hain agus Áine was completely different. Cla am just aring train as a doing Oppenheimer ikke da doing agus zero alcohol. So so go homeland different. So yeah, ach come out it's a major rota. So can we do der seachta Hugh?
Éine an leith mas bháileh marrásin duna ná dus fear is sliga le haid tá cinna lád ag fágad agá ag an Austráil agus sin go a gáta landing in is leir go card sac le go bug hiil agus ring léonnta sire sa bháile ahan le blian ó hasí COVID agus bhí seo cean an cinsearna sa le roiseach an fágáil le gáil thar lear le gáil down under. Agus so yeah near where ma mar an chaú ar Harvey le haid trí le in Éist marall fásta mar groma ag midnight screening the Oppenheimer an ihe solar hoimid so tu gaiir actually seo a phlé in it mar so níl Barbie fegum agus níos fe agus James fád a go Jamer the Barbie aine like an gapa go bhaine me agus James soltas na céáis taithí bhí an cos go like sais brona ag pontí aigen.
Yeah, tá sé co-granner. Like she can go na tanuas. Tosa could be. I don't know for James. It could be just two women's libh. Like it's like hardcore feminist movie at on now. So I don't know. See, that Hugh mar didn't move the glue section go. Whereas I don't know like James out the cursus and you know what I mean? Taithí agus just
like, just go the history. Ní anti-feminist main.
No, you're Russian. Do you know, just ask him care to hand live and I don't know when I touch the daddy was James. But you know what? Well then change our care and let me know. Better go make
no, Tom go brand new like 100%. But
on grounder tha. What's okay, Hugh?
So just and two stuff should be like yeah no ta inta like you know a gore like a quat in the mrags yeah ni when he James Soltas or
I know you're also to go martian I'm making it out like go fool James Mana and
no
pass a curve
complete opposite
yeah school I'm right James they're for all run
cared for Oppenheimer Roshan Gamai.
So I think we'll Shan school and rare to these fire James so han a midnight screening more the you know for which tickets to the lighthouse in Malakia agus the visum groma hun dollar lane see in lineation like from a flag up like jail work imagine so Sheelam Hain like nar one ma and May just most salt as star dark matter and lineation on there be most muscle more be my whole token of a muscle and tamer fat grow size kind of like when ansalt is JV got a rare in scannán I can now can like right come on you know come up fan muscle like near wohima grow on chicken colleague punch again ag vis can imkulmachen vi like this on trail programage you feel her like you say creepy to us I want my saltas careful James captured da
well random sé ag simple leir se 8 agus bhí mis tuirseach má i goláán so sói an campment is smooth am an thuús gon scóán sin ná tá sé 3 uair a chuig ar ad agus ní nu de brandúir ní cheapan tú go sé 3 uair a chuig like it just literally flies tá is actually piece go is piece allín atá in a ide tá sé dáchrete an scéal in inster like agus kind of an Eva Hurster gun fair to hear go rud young ruddy is mass a holla in mankind like ach is kind of feet to be on like an like a scientific feet to be on so just like being kind of mixed emotion that is look agus just tan cast it on like agus súil go mé Oscar to while go tal na hearing at Easter ratio me definitely Cillian Murphy is like tá special to scancha so yeah I thought gosh absolutely dochrete so yeah we're based on that you never know basically go bu Ryan Gosling can all male or Barbie I don't know
I mean sin burt then the lads I think is dóúla the hoin agus it's the dasgal and smó le Janie but vi dini ra mai grab a chuig Barbie go joclo a chlustal bell durish nar fléisc an buma could anuim ro anuim go glóach sin nar fléisce.
It's actually get to taréis an buma place go because actually an chuid sé dinta so it's gonna alright beidir bug an spoiler.
Yeah, mar ma géirí eáil ra mé teachtan seo le eáil.
It's just tá Eva wadníos croíoch chuirta hairs na just go buma an gus place go chat wad níos it's just like did I get to taréis like so you can aftermath go chuir de chluisiint in áit an actual buma be tá chránís alína dinte Christopher Nolan an buma idal as na just place mór so yeah but
yeah vi dín castar vi should like Jamer vi na place sa scanna is like just kind of cap go cost Michael Bay you wrote really like just more than road is like drama fear like feel like would be like cursey Glee a cursey allart a cursey like morality immer sin the PC on though a vi like grammar agus near ní cap ma gro naams vi grammar Kasla so is character ní spoiler job the traders acta Einstein more character Scannán like she grows actually more courage like Sophia Hill a car just tag just wasn't or agus capital like okay Shaw size get the book like movie magic whatever kind of just pop just wasn't is a reach Kasla Santa just talking chest chat like a couple of PC all as a torch agus it's which you wait 5 seconds shouldn't Albert Einstein like in all he is you also don't because the goose kind of more like exposition device whatever is the Scannán shot so we PC merchant on I got my Cillian Murphy should talk the
ich heb in the PC's grammar vi on na one-liners vi Matt Damon
the Matt Damon to my Scannán
is general don like did ní spoiler me tá so trailer na nervvín siid a cans faoin buma agus ceach míir sa rudí an gáil agus fi should like raw near to zero and then just means Matt Damon raw what you mean near to zero and then being like raw well what you want it is Matt Damon I want zero things to go wrong so yeah the PC actually like that would break you like me I'll touch at the reader but yeah
Hugh, I don't know on what to do an collie a bhí James a dul like Oppenheimer jadoni ach dúirt Cillian gur arc sé cos go se le ceolcurm Jason Mraz
no
bí rias agé
ní ceaf gur walk man no go to
classic Jason Mraz agus sorts blazer
yeah blazer dómh Tina dómh jeans dómh agus bhí mo fedora gréir má bhí me gléiste cos Oppenheimer
That's such a far ahead. And Romar an Ella Glacier Suez again cinema that's James near white to
no absolutely
dinner
well no
mis agus Mahara
okay sin carci over
the Barbie Glacier vi calling like Gemlin na dish I you wig fion agus vi odi mor idir Barbie agus vi spekely grainer hi cinema vi banjar an den vi cos they're just like farige the pink Connie May Carol Kinsella tweet an arja and it was like Tá sé cos le bhfuil limnach agus Barbie immert sa craimhanú mar ní le fádear agus glas ar fudbáí clíananig.
Gas. No, bhí se no, cos bhí mis Harbh chun an rud tíarna dhéanú, cos bhí mis dul le cinna muid chuirde Earl agus bí an fear seo gléiste go háhaid a gcónaí, like is Southsider agus ítá chuirla cean tamar fad, sweater vests, like vest, I have gléiste go Gina Nines. So you like bit a really groundward there Hannick must was a 3-piece suit, like all again like scannán echo. But Suller her my arm or Suller dag my chat just come a text to be like, Joe to Caidé just rug the huggle like near cap my like just rug like go knock roach out glaze to come over is the gra agus Harrow I'm like shit like her arm like the Shan jeans like tea in a hoodie even like okay no you fall rug glaze shot but you're ending yellow glaze to sa lighthouse nar bhaim siú chun an scannán echa hí ahanning
le Hugh seach san áid cinema sin té áit bhí man an go an eiceil ar seachtaine le spás. Ní rá éon rud Barbie acuiste há, ní rá éon rud Oppenheimer acuáin as in like an margaíocht like.
Yeah.
Agus like daoine iste há gléise sús le Barbie as chun le brandúir mar sin na suit agus má Oppenheimer me like the ship gléise sús le Barbie. Fá chu ce amsa gléise sús mar fócin Oppenheimer like.
Ach Sean Ceis nar hain se bheith Barbie nis an léisi sibh sús.
Oh yeah, tá mu tíí léna pink right I'm like 100%.
Caiite fult breige cumai.
Fedora Blanjarg.
Actually daoine rá go dro spray was that an hairspray fake blonde roig go isteach am rin.
But it cost like 10 tar caiite sin. It do I brachna?
Yeah, 10 da chach se like 10 million druggy.
Bhí me cóáasta go mo gurí blond ag an am seo agus or bhí me mítar ag gathú deircha le déine and I was like, oh, tá sé fuirfa grígeonna gom den lá all bhuair seo.
Yeah. Ní le haid Barbie.
Bhac sibh gur tháinig The Dark Knight agus mamma mia ar an lá céine le chuig bhíon de go hin. The Dark Mama walked so Barbenheimer could run.
Agus freisin I chéimhlín eile cheapin gohfuil Paw Patrol agus Saw it's amach. So Saw Patrol I go le
Oh my god. Sin Christopher Nolan Foster reached to listen to an tell to get farsin.
Le Paw Patrol like yeah.
Le Paw Patrol. Let's all. Dark gritty reboot the Paw Patrol ag teacht le haid. Nesum sa cén tam when I'll chance le fecal Barbie just learning ra to stuff got array. Agus nesum
as is UA ecal I phictiúrlann seach is fannacht go dtí go.
Oh, kinse yeah. Na sin go be chance me an fanna seachting eile le ecal. So better bit mission far away is these snarklan like the ending out of these snarklan ahwang machine le tíléine buin jar go like woo come on Barbie let's go party.
Leor dad's istí hat na gur in inacha hurt no but yeah but rahi mis a reach Barbie vi go mai sin.
Raha reach?
Yeah, so le wagan sin phictiúrlann definitely.
Bhí mar ra seo le muid housemates ní cheapan go rahing chun Oppenheimer reach just mar jaall go a chófáda sin. It's like níama Caidé share them heel.
Basically hot take am this job. But
go on.
Ní marm sa brenner gun on reach. Like
okay.
Nu to feki am done. Shna like ní man an see she's reach if a mate an arm me toss am kita go tarlu. I know the plot agus toss am get creating so ke fog my brenner shall reach. That's just mission though.
A cai go scannán agus like gur béon scannán gur fear leat agus go sé feici go míle uair no?
Ní déons go feici am like
well like you know what I mean.
Ní smúna beidir 3 euro I'd say.
What?
No.
Here for like Harry Potter just the himpiste no like were they gonna be my big movie or
Stop my brother Harry Potter and me all the instant when he's all get a picture like Harry Potter so there's not a reach.
You're going
I'd say an saying school on the feki and beidir free na The Greatest Showman. That's probably it. Yeah.
1 second.
Instant
yeah, not to fall like you le gan shot play in this.
I can't go do stuff in instant shot Hannah phodchraoladh, no?
No, when he happened, no.
Oh, so he was like brother Mahara. He was like dóhéag nuair cíns agus tháinig ceann na Harry Potters nuamach agus bhí mu stián inám le tickets and then bhí si de rá gur problem le ticket teang in nuair cíns. Agus seo bhí denar an agus mu óg agus sin níir mu a scuile deachán agus next thing you know checkar in the tickets a ríis hééis fi cúg númad gon scon an bheith imi haar and then dúirt oh yeah the ticket's actually okay so ná go deachán. So we must fit to food ring crowd. Now this is like opening night and everything, the opening weekend. So if you feel cool do my call I'm going on, you're clone kid all I could do my you know what? Fuck off Harry Potter and you might go to back all these. So stop my brand on Harry Potter, I guess never look back.
Yeah, the Kahina Roak, I'd say Gershon just like prisoner of Azkaban if you talk to my option. So Neil few
I'm gonna be honest, ni clone kid time there needs move. Thought I'm going to be down in the true can the and
how much Harry Potter now been in jaw.
No, the guy.
Yes,
no.
I've just
ní mailam sa Harry Potter.
Commission ahu.
Ní right to like ní féidir am either about. I'm just like no.
Yeah, we must go foolish like because in two films and I didn't do my you know what?
James attitude is like no, screw you.
Yeah, exactly. Screw that. Like no, ní my brand or ever again because Veal Sham Mullah like.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
You pinch their RTE ag an nolog nach narcan túir hunjin.
Oh yeah, like tá ní smú na RTE channels ang so the channels aru. You know feels like you're all fuck that the Harry Potter is a term brand where not a fear.
Jerry mission is just bradam sigar gur scannán ríis a branch an scannán like the couple scannán agus ní féad ar chur is one romhainn like rodita like size I don't know nuir tan punche omland an scannán a go twist all world because can meet you like okay one this
AKA Shutter Island.
Yes like near
watch.
Yeah ach tá rudí eile like a ddíireach a rare tam actually tam the snaring around is tam get the cheating arg inis tafid pod ella le dinge ella I know Eagrán away ní strai on just more special to na bhíon up arv achta se nu flop culture le fanúla J agus based in premise an rud na rounding to running art hol to crease the on nar jaar na gomai agus and ken rounding mise na or hol real or fatal deviation.
No.
Oh Lads fatal deviation an scannán kung fu is fair a hannig ama as trim e condain na V le Mikey Graham as Boyzone is the agus mil ho basically not vi gar Cosla Steven Seagal na Jean-Claude Van Damme like sta Aaron like agus her Helen Scannán shot agus shite ho but are really groundwork so to creases the agus vi tummel there's many so I get there's an old skull I think was effect them like better like fear even bunch of shot mar vim much Gurker like mar courage like Gurker and Scannán like yeah agus start mar a reach a rare la taithí anu dun pod so really missions problem either come with the reach agus like It's a Wonderful Life again agus Back to the Future really mission
Titanic.
No, not Titanic actually. No, near I reached I think it was just raw added. I think she 5 done.
See sin fog mile and rud James v Oppenheimer because yeah, you know hin to scannán tá 3 years like rod mo hin to it like an Batman or agus an Avatar or vi me igarker mo or during a year like I'm like okay this could be finished so tá me súla sin now gur like nar fiú wahí tú an tam dul hart tá sin garcú.
No, well ní wacha mo intinge ach wacha mo chorpa.
Yeah.
Tá mo glúna úfasa like tá glúna 82-year-old amsa agus like Haitian so rá trí de seachsa scannán so rá de chloigeisteach. Okay, so tá mai éisiad titim agus Leon uruchlik degan scannán bhí just mo glún a chrocha le lá so bhí cupping éana glún so go mo an facht a mo hí le híon uair deire a brandar scannán so yeah sinna so mo chorp bhí mo chorp go tríúchlik scannán bhíán but mo sing really enjoyed it.
Bíon tosa a tréál agus do an gym like an lá an seachtain cé dó dhéú sin le tá a glún mar sin.
Oh, it's just new to mama he like so it's like aren't good cinema goers knee actually on route to the air. So it's actually really funny like. So it's like ní mis ná mama he in a perpendicular angle mar hin le roada. So yeah.
Oh my god.
Like he'd let sport be ach is there tattoo illegal ski go to me comfort that.
Yeah. Well, I don't know about what's about who's up. Like if it was the recliner he's a salt hill, it'd be golden.
Then after go misha bloody chuig €1 tickets daylight.
Yeah.
I know, but there's a co comfort that. I think that actually does stas the sofa beds, so I can't drink mine. And the animation, but
Han your number sin go fáil the action molecule the Stella at an seo agus inta notions í le ha scanna ach near where my go fáil. It's cabin the Ashley sin I think Caidé kind of size of a color kunja like I think I should like if the just to see is the bestie just to see or labby le just like
I think that's great.
Nah, I feel like
yeah, well do bestie Killian Áine wouldn't even hate Hugh lucky okay.
Besties alogum.
I'm by Virginia the besties in ish.
Yeah, share a list of the besties.
Tell you what, Michigan was some in Galib in this Ramachi cinema. I guess Jenny mentioned true rugging thesis over bed.
Let's go cozy.
The bed and the little one said, roll over.
The little one said to do a popcorn.
Oh yeah, actually, notable because he's gone on agus pictures where cared a on Urdu at the agi the snacks laying gone on agus ní dá nach fragger one card.
Okay, I think it's a Toshi and your Caidé. So the much come against ra agus Gary Feckle and this is more good lumps of James.
Okay,
right, popcorn, the Solin, as an exalted popcorn, agus minstrels. Minstrels is these popcorn. Agus Coke. Bishin cart. Bishin this more gear in it. Yes.
Except James is a Coke Zero.
Yes, boy.
Yeah. Well, like Pepsi Max, but yeah, 100% cart.
Yes.
Ní éon fragger eile sinna go zíoch
James idir minstrels as Maltesers, but degra yeah.
Okay, Maltesers, 5 Maltesers. Okay. Lochan and then near immense chocolate with Maltesers need add a ball of shite. So ní siad ionta. I'll give you more with minstrels aku through my railroads and that's Galaxy Counters new buttons. Shantain paid it.
The Homeland chocolate though. I would just line the
chocolate.
And
popcorn leg Pepsi.
Scarfeen ice cinnamon a go Ben and Jerry's counter cook mai. Agus Jen and she'd like blossomy knock jigla de cannox to choppa. So like the can strawberry cheesecake oku and it is unbelievable. So I'm to get audition just let the Leshani hosu kaichini here do obviously so lange.
I'm gonna rat.
And even just the popcorn.
Well, you know what? Late Oppenheimer now. You walk my raw against that shit. You know, that's like a pre-snack to the big snack. You know,
my trader.
You know, that's like you know.
Yeah.
Man gotta eat. So no. I was like the man was it. Dini wants like a picture on I think on the friggin' nachos like cheese new the hot dogs. I'm like go wallet agus ik the year and like, then terrash is for popcorn.
You just know not well stuff in chat mahas like books it like that is
100%.
Nasty behavior. Yeah. Michelle Hall America be like to know like jinger omlana L like is these cinema. Be to know like like fried chicken and chips L solar beautiful shock and so like sorry go shot feck like I know Ant-Man or mission because they just pork his knife with the Hodge glue you like Gary Ike like jinger omlan like is to a gurker and scannán like just copy stuff on like this that's
actually will like tap a cooler in butter based sauce. It's literally
Agus tá like shaker dust shot aku costa salon and it's like jalapeno dust
ranch.
Cheese dust
yeah
I don't know fucking
no cheese dust that's
chicken dust ní sam kid means aku really mental like
I'm sorry dinner be ordering sweet popcorn is psychopathy.
Agreed yeah
like no
I know good Jaron which the chance they are very accepting grúpa dá rií.
This is where we draw the line.
Ach má ordíonn tú sweet popcorn éigean phictiúrlann is ná éist leis an pod seo. Ná bach leis. Níl fáilte go rih na live shows, níl fáilte go.
You're
Éine.
the ordering sweet and salty combo. I'm like, no.
The value and popcorn.
Yeah.
Na habair sin.
Yeah.
James,
Hugh, ag láir faoi Americagus na Pixelon. Rá tusa ag an showing go Incredibles 2.
Ní mis an a bblion sin.
Ní mis ag Incredibles 2 na bhí me cinema fásta ar na bhí muid sin. Yeah. So chuim me chuna eáil in cinema in San Francisco.
Yeah, I gcuimhin leat on pre-rud.
And na barbuns and ken fin lad bug agus used to go.
Yeah. Like oh my god, yeah.
Yeah. Cuimhin leat sin, like bhí sin iontach, right? Ach tá scéal funny am sin mel. Bhí mu ar fad is just a picture in Berkeley. Agus bhí chun na brand shot, like bhí se sold out like.
Yeah.
As you must see Bugny is so cool. Agus he was brand new sin. Agus we had like really good ass wholesome picture. A quiver that they get there and they on bam spoiler on letting bug of Vimar is a kid of Visha Papa Dam the
Baubun.
Yeah, Papa
Dam. Well, a rule so it's a Caidé gash la Baubun solar Huntington scannán. No. Okay.
Agus like Tim Bana agus we hold on so picture on Cune. We should like raw. Oh, but like I can't really go that hilarious. So he was like, Chas, hold on, so picture on people of him. Agus glad that you're there, but you're like, oh shit.
Did you definitely get to Bogota, right?
No, it should like icky Caidé like a shaft chultúna like we much I actually ní come out how funny that she my heel and then just that the whole in the team player we were like oh shit I was at the medical need judgmental and like so we're like get over yourself this fucking piece of heavy on we should cap you here.
No, anything last we ner chanig majinga vi se kelda kasla. I think you're just in the last like oh fucking hell. Ner because target cham as HB just so they just like just kai sha.
That's actually Air Disney Plus, he got darker.
Oh really?
Yeah,
oh come around there just to get a laugh.
Have a laugh a rish. No se ho bow and tang turn and BAO. Bhí se just no tá chuidir sin na fecha fásta agus bhí se scanlach rud bhí tá cinema.
Agus like usually like ní bhah like ní like be my really cute or is going on but hall sin and then ag horrors tá ma úfása as in like just ní ná rudí chuineáil shit like be like taller jump scares agus like it's gradian mission like agus like didn't írat my popcorn fad of it's river hustle on scannán horror because ní réintan is always the people are like toma chodonna the horrors like it's ridiculous.
But they're like taints of sin ní haim shit the horrors that goes
or like it's against my will how you make it horrors it's like be my dragged kicking and screaming in the horrors like yeah agus like Small go like cinema agus bheith compras so be short term agus t-shirt New Jersey and those things ag horrors hoodie 1,000,000%. Yeah. Yeah. Oh 100%.
See and 5 thugs is so James so the arms a bit like dragged kicking and screaming the fecal and scannán like midsummer agus you freeze these scannán sin Jared if you actually won my ansalt us their chain hick horrors ella so like mar hapla leis the lads and over or never met leis ska one rud be scan rule like one will scan and like actually properly scan rule cap go integranwer agus passion sa gair so when much on akal and scan sin the boogeyman and sin tamhan a hanig ma agus no cap go kin the scan is grammar a wahima like le pléann fi ma actually piss on my hand a gairi ag rudí nó bhí punch bhain ar ring like poist about like kung fu kick ar tearfar agus like í tógu sí an talú ná like bhí gar hí scarrte chur ar an phone ar bhí gar scarrte chur den éigen like gléich enú agus bhfuil like an táimse like hasí like first spooked agus léman phone am a hospá agus tíráiste in like a random fishbowl a bhí sí kitchen nachfu tiisbunne chuiche ríis so hín rudí mar sin ag sceap má seo gas agus so den is fuil is na lads a gálamsa ach ar chuid a riolalas ag scanna le den éigen agus bhí like cén fam bhfuil man seo lá like rud like really like ardalach a cálnach sí cinema like thing bit nach change an scan cinema lá níos mó.
Ní a mis a riú heig scanan úfás cinema. So ní les gom cén dóil daoine eile because bhéin se úfás ach féin is gradiad. Like sin go bhac mé yes scanan úfás má híle lig.
Okay, I think go bod trip chas mu go réir an túraing I go ag scanan úfás sa cinema agus.
No, that's okay.
Yeah.
We're going to see ag dul faoin leabí le cheile.
Ar an sofa bed. Sure, it's best within the sofa bed díoch ag front, so need a protection out of the either. Like they're just exposed gun friggin' scun on their fad to all the scary bits.
James can't be scanning, you can't can't for protection or labby, okay? You can't come on.
Bear in the league actually calls the lab in the Hale in the Asian though, because Bay nightmares are like.
Oh yeah.
Darrow,
okay. Because Sean's guitar like Shaw doing it in this punch again, Sean's going to cover everything at the taithí, Sean's going to really things to oring fanat a labby a wang like hella. Caidé will give a set up, I guess Caidé will have more and spoon more, I guess in spoon book, because the true in Sean is
more definitely.
There's more spoon more.
Yeah. I mean,
I think the mission
is you and Shin because just Colo Sheachig and Tichi Shen Colo Geiger Heachig and he's Dyra and he'll be just MIA the so.
I think she's fair. I think we would just or get this across that jetpack or cool looking it just because they because Virginia me surgeon who so with the cost of kind of like spider monkey or cool and drim the fecal.
Probably just kick you out of the bed, live here now.
Yeah. I mean, Sargento the River, the art thing you kick on Mahas Labby so good. Nish, Visha, the Labby hang. So, yeah.
Oops.
Did I do that?
Bear Earth or Labby.
Stats. An ru riú alta ag cinema ag an riú hasisi bhá solar a bhfuil si gin action picture a hain.
No, bhí couple of mimosa going now Jadoni so now how much, but it was like yeah, no tree and then a fusion hain bhí mu gairy níos na did a reality and we were like absolutely hilarious.
Oh my god.
Like we would have sweeters in the air. We were like, Roach a grander no one would just get to go tipsy.
Probably in that road. Chuig me siún eiceil an scannán pléann ar tháinig má tomlahain le Jared Butler agus na lads a chuig me lá siad like vodka lá strategy cinema agus bhí like chuir jazz sna slushies agus tí sna cokes really mar sin. So bhí amar dóid ó we had a great time. But ní rón the lads hardthrowing says or Harvey or gromit like well, because we just Gary exam or Ahmed because being scanned like shy new Rosham or Harvey.
I go around like say Roshi der Meshka you've actually feel Kahusuler and Scanner, but that's okay if it was shy.
Oh yeah, oh no, if you reach the Kahusuler and Scanner, it's just V and Scanner a hain milchna agus V should like thing you will crease the Saku in like Scanner, so if you should non kill the fecal, they're be running out like all not can't find running out grammar or whatever. Like near nach near the really keel, like plans is really also just because in time scanning that plane I guess Neil playing on that better on keg quick one which I was on quick one which journal Neil playing is thesis scanning or Harvey gross misadvertisement view show false advertisement view better right and you're to say real James
no because I mean Zacho Damse just bheith ggéir bheith socialtas, má ggéir bheith cansa daoine agus bheith joke an háirtar sií, so definitely not a good idea má chuir their old ums go ag cinema, because just I won't shut up like. Agus
Lord le Sraith nachlis.
yeah, oh, kids in gate. Like so wouldn't mind ach like tá rán amstam is daoine cans sa scannán. Ach like tá bhach mu a goal, bhach mu definitely cans scannán. So I'm like a walking contradiction dá all such an like so but yeah, na daoine is mills noch dat ná go ag an scannán le na daoine bhfuil a bhíorn ceisníart faoin scannán a tá burtach í breanúir gon chéad úr ag an nám fucking céanna.
Denim sin orintha le Cillian.
A kitchen.
Denim tusa Áine. But ní bheiths agus in the herd, because ní sé carcar.
I know, but denim tú darmdar sin na tú go ceiste gona.
Háidir sin an cúpapáta agus like chéad rátí cheis ma sin whoever yeah and then má ronja har sin I'll just go look tá mi sé breanúir seo an chéadú freisin. Please shut up.
Red flag, Áine.
Respectfully.
Red flag.
Red flag, Áine. And Cad red flag gets so good. Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, could be worse. Need to know for
Yeah, I don't think we're going to get into that. Glad sílim go bhéis sin é den náam se think damage rihiú danne agus Jenny ar go BC them le deir seachtainí gríthe agus seachtainí gríthe agus just it's more an honor go non tactla cheanna ha cear chuig go mu an seachtain agus just catch absolute shaitla cheile, it's just go jazz le fecha. Má géir de seansaí amsú ar na man hosted damage ar Twitter ag na seansaí ar Instagram na seansaí ar YouTube ag na seansaí agus féidir le ar go aoní gáanta eáil an sin ar YouTube ná an seo ar Spotify nach bhí bhaint go phodchraoladh ar Apple Pod ar Acast ar fecin tub like list omland de rudí. Éist le RSS feed am jingin sin. Áine áid. Géir Áine Amsterdam hosted this more anywhere, Instagram, anywhere, Twitter, anywhere, or TikTok. I think James Amsterdam hosted this, more flahartach or Twitter, flahartach or Instagram, agus flahartach or TikTok, or in guy much X around this, and that's Twitter. Oh God, no.
Yeah. Cora than Jack and Jogan.
Yeah, no. Fuck Elon Musk. Agus mat game Amsterdam hosted more Hugh here Twitter, Hugh here Instagram, agus gra Hugh or TikTok. Well, I know kind of focus solar change or good on our merry way.
Just much of get me on the man host I'll get back to you because I'm actually Imi Wahub.
Sorry, yeah.
If I kaiki knew me. So yeah, I'll get back to you.
Yeah, so much the Gary James L is ever say na a hawk the shop.
What you be get a carrier pigeon a chorcha fadalom kulan in Yaru kun in the guide of me the father.
But just heard this James of Art the Galiev, I think good am shy to in the church. I think that's the magic of unpost. General good fate at the end. I've heard you go me one so as the sheriff's stroke come lash up. What you so as the Jerry Sharky is good minimize the chance of the rash reach that Eagrán common nua than pod le pitch Jake national reach free the so as the Jerry Sharky it.